Good morning, children. Welcome to Max class. In this class, we are going to see some interesting sums. Children, what is this?
Chalk piece box.
What is the shape is?
Square.
Yes, this is square shape. Square have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Children, what is this?
Tiffin box.
What is the shape is?
Rectangle.
Yes. Rectangle have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Opposite sides are equal in rectangle shape. So this is the long side, this is length and then this is breadth. So 2 length and 2 breadth have rectangle. Children, last class we have learned what is mean by perimeter and perimeter formula. Children, see that shape. This is square shape. This square shape, boundary side, full boundary side we can say perimeter. Okay children, see the box. I'll open the box. Inside some chalk pieces here. This occupied space is called area. Children, see the box. Inside some rice is here. This occupied space is called area. Okay children, see the area formula. First one, area of the rectangle equal to length into breadth. Second one, area of a square is equal to 4 into side. Okay children, let's see the exercise sums.
Exercise 1.2. See the first sum. The length of the side of each square is given below. In this question, length of the side value is given. The shape is square shape. The values are given. We have to find the area value we have to find. First sum 10 meter. The shape is square shape. We have to find area. So already we know the formula. First we write given value. Side value is given. Side is equal to 10 meter. Side is equal to 10 meter. Next we write the formula. Area of a square is equal to, what is the formula? Area of the square formula, side into side. In the short form, S into S we write. So side into side means the side value is 10 meter. We write 10 into 10. So 10 tens are 100. So what is the unit value? Meter. We have to find the area means. Area means we write square meter. Square meter. When you find perimeter means what is the unit value? That value only, meter only we write. We find area means we have to find answer. You write square meter. Second sum 5 centimeter. So the given value side is equal to 5 centimeter. Now we write the formula. Area of a square is equal to, what is the formula? Side into side. So we write S into S. Short way we write S into S. So what is the S value? Side value is 5 centimeter. So we write 5 into 5. table. 5 5s are 25. What is the unit value? Centimeter. We have to find the area means we write first square, next write the centimeter value, square centimeter. Third sum, 15 meter. So the 15 meter is the side value. So side is equal to 15 meter. Children, tell me the formula. Area of a square formula. Area of a square formula, S into S. So S value is 15 meter. Now we write 15 into 15. Now multiply the value. 5 5s are 25. 25 to write 5. Carry 2. Again 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Next, put plus symbol in the first digit. Next, we have to multiply 1. 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1. Now add the value 5. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 2 we write. Carry 1. 1 plus 1. 2. So 225. We have to find the area of a square. So area of a square value is 225. What is the unit value? Meter. We have to find area means first we write square. Next unit value is meter. This is the answer. For the sum, same model. What is the value is given? The given value is side value. So we write short way. S is equal to 16 centimeter. When we given side value means what is the formula? We have to find the area of a square formula. So we write area of a square is equal to, the formula is area of a square formula S into S. So S value is 16. Now write 16 into 16. Now multiply the value. 6 6 are 36. Already you know the square number. Same number we have to multiply means already 1 to 10 numbers you know. 6 6 are 36. 36 to 6. Carry 3. Next 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So this one finish. Put plus symbol in the first digit. Next 1 6 are 6. 1 1s are 1. Now add the value 6. 9 plus 6, 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So value is 256. We have to find area. So you have to write first square. What is the unit value? Centimeter. So the answer is 256 square centimeter. Second sum. Find the area of the following rectangle. First sum we have to learn area of a square formula. Children, see the second sum. Area of the rectangle. So already we know the formula for area of a rectangle. The values are given. We have to solve the sum. See the first sum. Length value is given 6 cm and breadth value is 3 cm. We have to find the area of a rectangle. So first we write first one. L value, given value L is equal to 6 cm and breadth is equal to 3 cm. First we write the formula. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to, area of a square means the given value is side value. Area of a rectangle means length and breadth value is given. So the formula is L into B. So multiply this and this value. So L value is 6. Multiply B value 3. 3 6 are 18. So we find the area means first we write square. So square, what is the unit value? Centimeter. So 18 square centimeter is the answer. Children, see the second sum. Length value is 7 meter and breadth value is 4 meter. So first the given values we write. L is equal to 7 meter. Breadth is equal to 4 meter. We write, already you know that what is the shape is given. So in short way write area is equal to L and B given means the formula we have to write area of a rectangle. So we write area is equal to L into B. So L value 7 into 4. Now multiply the value. 4 sevens are 28. So area means we write square. What is the unit value? Meter. So answer 28 square meter. See the third question. L value is 8 centimeter and B value is 5 centimeter. So we write first formula. Area of a rectangle formula L into B. So in short way write area is equal to L into B. L value is 8 and B value is 5. 5 eights are 40. So area means we write square. Unit value is centimeter. So answer 40 square centimeter. Children, see the fourth sum. L value is 9 meter and breadth value is 6 meter. Write the fourth one. The given values are L is equal to 9 meter. Breadth is equal to 6 meter. Children, say the formula for area for rectangle formula. Area is equal to the given value L and B means the formula is L into B. L into B. Now multiply the value 9 into 6. So 9 6 are 54. So area means we write square. Unit value is meter. So the answer is 54 square meter. Next sum. If the cost of 1 square meter of a plat rupees 800, then find the total cost of the plat that is 15 meter long and 10 meter breadth. In this question, children, what is the meaning of the question means? The given values are cost of the 1 square meter of a plat value is given. 1 square meter plat value is rupees 800 means we have to find total cost. Total cost of the given plat value is 15 meter long means length value is given. So 15 meter length value and 10 meter breadth value, plat value we have to find. So first we write solution. First we have to given value write. L is equal to 15 meter and breadth is equal to 10 meter. So L and B value is given means what is the formula we have to use? Area of a rectangle. So we write area of a plat is equal to, short way area is equal to L into B. Now multiply the value 15 into 10. So 15 into 10. In 0 ending number means 1 we have to multiple means 1 0 we have to add. This number we write 15. Adding one more 0. This is the short way. So answer we have to find area means square. What is the unit value? Meter. So this plat value is 150 square meter. In this question 1 square meter plat value is given. So 1 square meter plat is equal to rupees 800. So 1 square meter plat value rupees 800 means we have to find 150 square square meter flat value. So we write 150 square meter flat is equal to rupees 800 into 150. Now multiply the value. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 8, 0. Any number multiple with 0 means get 0. This term fully finished means put plus symbol. Next multiply the table for 5 table. 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 0, 0. 5 8s are 40. Next first digit put plus. Next digit also put plus. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 8s are 8. Now add the value 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 get 12. So the answer is total cost value. So put rupees symbol. 1,20,000. The answer is 1,20,000. The side of a square is 6 centimeter. The length of a rectangle is 10 centimeter and its breadth is 4 centimeter. Find the perimeter and area of both the square and the rectangle. In this question, see the question mark. Side value is given. Side of a square is 6 centimeter. The shape is square. Side value is given. So side value is 6 centimeter and the length value is 10 centimeter for rectangle shape and the breadth value is 4 centimeter. So in this question, side value is given and the length and the breadth value is given. What we have to find means, in this question we have to find perimeter value and area value for both shape, square shape and rectangle shape. First we write the shape. What shape we have to find means square shape. First we have to find square shape. First we write the perimeter formula. Perimeter of a square. So perimeter is equal to what is the formula for perimeter of a square formula? 4 into S. So in this question, what is the S value is given? S is 6 centimeter. So 4 into S means 4 into 6. So 6 4s are 24. So what is the unit value? Centimeter. We find the perimeter means unit value only we write. So perimeter of a square value is 24 centimeter. Next we have to find the area. So area of a square, area is equal to, what is the formula? The formula is S into S. So S value is 6 centimeter. So 6 into 6 means 6 6 are 36. So area we have to find means already you know that. First we write square. What is the unit value? Centimeter. So square centimeter is the answer. So in this question we have to find square shape for perimeter of a square. Answer is 24 centimeter. And then we find the area of a square value 36 square centimeter. Next we have to find the rectangle shape. So rectangle is equal to rectangle. We write the shape first. Perimeter of a rectangle. So we write perimeter. Perimeter is equal to, what is the formula? Perimeter of a rectangle formula. The perimeter of a rectangle formula is 2 into L bracket 2 into L plus next put bracket 2 into breadth. So perimeter of a rectangle formula is 2 into L plus 2 into breadth. So in this question L value is given. What is the L value? L value is 10 centimeter. Breadth value is 4 centimeter. So L and B value is given. We write 2 into L value is 10 bracket, put plus symbol, 2 into breadth value is 4. Now multiply the value. 10 twos are 20 plus 4 twos are 8. So 20 plus 8, 28. So perimeter of a rectangle value means we write the unit value only. So 28 centimeter is the answer. Next we have to find the area of a rectangle. So we write area is equal to, what is the area of a rectangle formula? L and B value is given means the formula is L into B. So L into B, right? What is the L value? 10 into, what is the B value? 4. Now multiply the value. 4 tens are 40. So area means we write square. What is the unit value? Centimeter. So unit value is centimeter. So area of a rectangle value is 40 square centimeter. Once again, I repeat the 4 formulas only. So perimeter of a square means in easy way square means 4 sides are equal. Only the given value is side value only. So perimeter means we write multiply the value for the given value into 4. 4 into S is the formula. Perimeter of a square formula is 4 into S. Area of a square formula is S into S. Next, perimeter of a rectangle means L and P value is given means the formula is 2 into L plus 2 into B. Area of a rectangle means the formula is the given value only L into B. See the fifth question. What will be the labor cost of laying the floor of an assembly hall which is 14 meter long and 10 meter breadth if the cost of laying is rupees 60 per square meter? Children, in this question, what are the values are given means one assembly hall length and breadth value is given. So the assembly hall length value is long means length we have to consider. So length value is 14 meter and breadth value is 10 meter. We have to find that 1 square meter cost of laying value is rupees 60 means we have to find this value we have to find. So in this question length and breadth value given means what is the formula we have to use? We have to use the area of a rectangle formula we have to use. So first we write solution. So area of a rectangle is equal to, first we write the given value, length value and breadth value. So L is equal to 14 meter and breadth is equal to 10 meter. So L and B value is given. Now already we know the formula for rectangle formula. Area of a rectangle formula is L into B. So we write L into B. L value is 14 into B value is 10. Now multiply the value only 1 0 is given. One table we have to multiply means same number we write. 14 we write, adding 1 0. So 140. Area we have to find, we write square. What is the unit value? Meter. So square meter is the value. So this place value is 140 square meter. So in this question given laying cost is equal to 1 square meter laying cost is equal to rupees 60. So we have to find 140 square meter. So laying total cost is equal to this square meter 140 into 60. This 60, 1 square meter value is rupees 60 means 140 square meter we have to find means this value into 60. Now multiply the value 140 into 60. First we have to multiply 0. 0 you have to multiply with any number means get 0. So 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 4, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Next put plus symbol in the first digit. Next multiply the value 6 into 0, 0. 6 4 the 24. Carry 2. 1 6 are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Now add the value 0, 0, 4, 8. So the value is rupees 8,400.